Alright, so we're out here with Bree. This is Supercross Night Series, round 1. She's currently in second place of 3 riders because apparently all the kids are still in school. It's a Friday night race. And there wasn't very much of a turnout for PWs. We got this KTM Mini, and she's trailing him a little bit. There she is. But she's also riding very diligently, so that's cool. Safety first, right? There we go, there's the white flag for her. Oh, her little buddy just got lapped. Our little boy's not been riding very long. Neither is the kid on the KTM. Yeah, he's gained a pretty gnarly lead on her though. Good job, go! Faster, faster! Good job, Bree. Good job. Keep going.
Woo! Good job. Keep going.
Woo! Last lap. Go. He still has one more lap.
I'm so pumped.